Welcome to JH. If your Superbox channels suddenly stop working, don't worry, as there is usually a simple fix. First, check if the issue is on the server side. Occasionally, servers go down for specific regions or channels. The quickest way to confirm this is by checking Superbox Facebook groups or Reddit forums. If other users are reporting the same problem, it is likely maintenance, and you will just need to wait. If that is not the case, check your internet connection. Restart your router and Superbox by unplugging both for a few minutes before plugging them back in. For better stability, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. Streaming live TV requires at least 8 megabits per second, though 15 megabits or more is best for HD. If you still have no signal, you can try a factory reset as a last resort. From the home screen, open Settings, go to Device Preferences, and select Reset. Confirm the choice and let the device reboot. This wipes everything to the original state, so only do this if other steps fail. If the problem persists, visit the Superbox support page and open a ticket. Explain the situation clearly for faster help. Also, avoid deleting pre-installed apps, as they may be hard to recover. Finally, ensure your box is in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating and keep the air flowing around the device.